Mr. Khan, let me start, Mr. Governor, by asking you very simply, what does it mean for you to be an Indian Muslim? How do you see your identity as an Indian Muslim?
So you have changed the format.
Not at all. It's Q&A. Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm very happy with
Yeah,
this
okay,
format.
good.
Yes. Before I reply to your question, because the audience here, I have in the past spoken so many times on this subject that most people must be familiar with my views. Before responding to your question, I want to express my dismay, my sadness, that in this year, 75th year of our independence, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And this Azadi did not come free. This Azadi was accompanied by the partition of the country, bloody partition of the country. There was so much bad blood, so much violence. And after 75 years, I think that partition happened because of this imaginary Muslim question, because of this question of majority and minority. And now after 75 years, instead of discussing Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, we still find this question. I mean, India was partitioned. And as I said earlier, it was a bloody partition. Have we learned any lesson from that? Yes, our constitution makers, they were very clear in their mind that there are two things which have weakened India from within, which led to India's enslavement and finally to India's partition. And those were, they took the decision in the Constituent Assembly, abolition of untouchability and abolition of separate electorate. Because it was separate electorate which created, which gave rise to this identity politics where everything was determined and decided by your identity, which community you belong to. Everything else was not important. Political representation was on that basis. Our constitution makers were fully conscious that it was this system which ultimately culminated in the partition of the country. Therefore, they said goodbye to both these things. Untouchability, which was at the root of the caste system, which kept the society divided, and separate electorate, which created identity on the basis of religious faith of a person. Now after, it was our duty. And I'm not just expressing sadness because you have chosen this subject to discuss. The political class failed to build a new discourse. And media also has not done very well on this score. There was need to build new discourse in India. There is a question. During the British period, India, they never considered India a nation. They considered India a conglomeration of communities. But this constitution considers citizen as the constituent unit of India. Where is the question of communities now? What is the Muslim? Come to my village and ask an ordinary Muslim, what is the Muslim question? He will be perplexed because his problems are the same problems as the problems of a person, of a peasant who is a Hindu, who is of a different caste, different denomination. But here, while sitting in Delhi, for us, someone saying from Hyderabad that there is a Muslim question, then we take that more serious.